Okay, once having these lines, I'll now start putting some covers on it, which goes all the way until down. Just to keep in mind that there are some lines which I don't want really to touch on this part of the eye, so I want it to be a little bit blurry because I'm looking for something, and I believe you'll be able to see it by the time I'm done drawing this eye, because I want it to be a sexy eye, so obviously this is the easy way I can get it. Okay, so now this eye, let's say I want to put some eyelashes on it. It's not gonna be that much, it has to be something smaller. Okay, it has to be something like that, and it's not gonna go that far. We can keep it shorter, and that will be enough there. So we only need now to put like some touch up here and then we can go ahead and color this part here to make the eyelashes look more professional. So we can color this part here, put a little bit of shadow on it. Okay, and some blur up on it like that. You can see the difference as well, as I was telling you that there are many difference on this drawing. So and this part here, we just need like to put some few eyelashes to just make sure that everything's sit okay. I put small here and then, you know. And then now we'll need to put some shadows in the eye. You see the shadows, I mean like the sketch here, if you don't be careful you damage everything. The sketches here, the pencil is more focused. Like here I'm doing it very lightly for you guys to see it in that way. So if you don't be careful, you'll damage everything. Obviously this place need to be having a small problem with our network, but yeah, so at this point I think we have done the basic part. We only need to give up some touch up here and then, just to make sure that we get everything's nice. And this part we have to follow up all those small details, and then we can obviously draw this one also as well while we're going up.